you're out in the garden and notice a slender orange and black beetle crawling across your flowers. At first glance, it might just look like a pest, but appearances can be deceiving, y'all. This insect is called a soldier beetle, and it may actually be helping your garden more than you realize. Today we're going to talk about how to identify soldier beetles, why they're beneficial insects, and what gardeners should know about them. Soldier beetles are a slender insect with a soft-looking body. They're usually orange or yellow with dark wings or markings. You'll often see them on flowers where they're feeding on the nectar and pollen. They're about half an inch long and they basically look like fireflies or lightning bugs, though they behave very differently. The larvae live in the soil and leaf litter where they hunt small insects. So, right off the bat, if you see one of these, y'all, let it be. Let it do its thing. Okay, so why do soldier beetles matter so much to us as gardeners? Where one, the adults help pollinate. So they're helping our flowers, they're helping our gardens, they're helping our ecosystem. Two, the larvae, like I just mentioned, live down on the soil where they hunt some of the following bad pests: aphids, caterpillars, insect eggs, and small soft-bodied insects. This combination between the larvae and the adults make these one of the best beneficial insects that we can have and hope to have in our gardens. Now, what should we do as gardeners if we see them in the garden? Well, kind of like I just alluded to, just let them be, y'all. Let them do their thing. The biggest thing about insects in the garden, as a gardener, and especially as a beginner gardener, is identifying the insects. You want to make doggone certain you know exactly what that insect is before you decide to handle it in a permanent fashion, if you know what I mean. So if you see these bugs right here, these insects, let them be. Let them do their thing. They are actually helping your garden in a big way. Now, to bring them into your garden, plant some of the following flowers that I'm putting up on the screen right here. That will do nothing but help attract them to your garden and where they can find a home and lay their eggs. So when their larva hatches, y'all, your soil is being protected even by them. Avoid using heavy pesticides. And of course, y'all, in regards to soldier beetles, are they a friend or a foe? Of course, they're a friend, right? They are helping rid our gardens of pests we don't want, both at the larval stage and at the adult stage. So I know this was a very short video. There's not a lot to say about these guys right here other than identify them, let them be, and let them help your garden. So if y'all enjoyed this video, if you got anything out of it, if you learned anything at all, do me the 5 favors: share, like, hype, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. And y'all take care. May God continue to bless each and every one of you, your gardens, your insect identification game, and I'll talk to you again real soon. Bye.